Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your Blink indoor-outdoor system. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and get the app from the App Store. So just search Blink and it'll come up. Go ahead and download it. As you can see, mine says open because I already have the app, but obviously it'll give you an option to download. Download it. Go ahead and put in your username and password or create an account if you don't have one. Hit sign in, and then it'll ask you for a verification code, so either through your phone number or email depending on what you set up. Put that in and then go ahead and do Blink wireless camera system. So what you want to do first is set up your sync module. So scan the QR code. So basically it'll come up with this screen. Find your sync module, which is this thing, and the QR code is on the back. So as you can see, the QR code is right in the left-hand corner, upper left-hand corner. So go ahead and scan that and then create a new system. So basically, I'm just going to call it home. And you want to look for a steady green and a blinking blue. So once you do that, go ahead and plug in the power, set up that piece so the sync module can work. Plug that in and then plug that into the wall. So like I said, there you go. We've got green power and blinking blue for Wi-Fi. So once that happens, then do discover device. Look for the Wi-Fi connection, which is on the back, which matches the back of the sync module. It'll look for it. And then go ahead and put in your actual Wi-Fi for your home so it can actually have an internet connection. So find your Wi-Fi network, put in your password, and then should find it, and then basically it's going to update the firmware because it's probably going to be old, and then you've added the sync module to the system. Now what you want to do is add your cameras to the system. So go ahead and find your camera, use this tool to unlock the back of the camera, peel off that cover, and then you can unlock it. So it's just a screw. So go ahead and unscrew that and then pop the backing off from the bottom there. And there will be a QR code. Put in your batteries, of course, and then you want to scan the QR code on the left side there. So go back to your Blink app, click the plus button in the upper right to add the camera, and then you want to add wireless camera. So the QR code screen thing will come up. Go ahead and scan that on the back of the camera. And then you want to add it to your existing system, which you've named home. So hit that. It'll look for the camera. Once it does that, then you hit done. And basically you are set up for a camera. So you can repeat this for as many cameras as you have. And it's just giving you some info on how to use the network. I'm going to show you just a little bit more in just a second. So if you want to hit the picture on the right, it'll take a picture of whatever the camera's looking at. On the left, the camera button is to watch live video. If you hit that list at the top there, you can rename the camera. All the options are in here. Your battery, if you want motion detection set, a clip length, all sorts of stuff. But that's all up to you on whatever your preferences are. So now your system is set up, and that's all you need to do. Your system is good to go. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.